Wash by Duria India, Director General of Military Operation by Camera AN Pramod, along with by Duria India, Galong, Kre, Baban Kruit, Rio, Pakistan, Lada Kadang Yamelin, Mentangi, Kam Tombor. Abakran Skrapik Bon Mataka Kruit Jumanga, the Sun, WN Pramod, along by by Duria India, Yapan up and tag by Pakistan, Lakade had Rio Haran Keuru, Dak Operation Sindur. Long by Duria India, Gapan Kre, Babat, but New by Pakistan. Wala India kam kwa wan penjur yakatma handai kam rate man karuit lada Pakistan kawan tombo wong bahapo kendai pun kuta bagi lekno ke setiap ia pergi beriu apa hal kam ki supaya duriau ke India pen kre bah duriau arben si banyak tengko bal kinong syun susu ulang bagi supaya duriau ke India kita pen upload ban karuit na duriau arben si ya kenong bak kerasi ke Pakistan.
So जो military होता our main job is to prevent war and maintain peace and stability. So it is not that our response is a graded response. That means अगर किसी ने किया तो उसको graded उसमें किया जैसे terrorist action हुआ तो what we did is a terrorist action and then we destroyed all the terrorist camps. उसके बाद आपने देखा कि उनने थोड़ा सा कोशिश किया तो हमारे एयरफोर्स और आर्मी ने क्या किया तो मिलिट्री टारगेट्स हैं उनको उनके ऊपर थोड़ा. So our aim is to maintain peace and tell our adversary that you do this and the response will be bloody. In the aftermath of the cowardly attacks on innocent tourists at Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir by Pakistani-sponsored terrorists on 22nd April, the Indian Navy's Carrier Battle Group, surface forces, submarines and aviation assets were immediately deployed at sea with full combat readiness in concert with the joint operation plan of the Indian Defence Forces. You may be aware that we tested and refined tactics and procedures at sea during multiple weapon firings in the Arabian Sea within 96 hours of the terrorist attack. The aim was to revalidate our crew, armament, equipment, and platform readiness to deliver various ordnance on selected targets precisely. Thereafter, our forces remained forward deployed in the Northern Arabian Sea in a dissuasive and deterrent posture with full readiness and capacity to strike select targets at sea and on land, including Karachi at time of our choosing. The forward deployment of the Indian Navy compelled Pakistani naval and air units to be in a defensive posture, mostly inside harbors or very close to the coast, which we monitored continuously. The Indian Navy maintained seamless maritime domain awareness throughout the duration and was entirely aware of the location and movement of Pakistani units. In effect, we had and continue to have good battle space transparency using our maritime domain awareness grid. As you are aware, our response has been measured, proportionate, non-escalatory, and responsible from day one. Accordingly, the calibrated approach considered all options, including the ability of the Indian Navy for offensive action from and at sea. As part of this escalation control mechanism, the application of force by the Navy was planned in a synchronized manner in coordination with the Army and Air Force, the highlight being teams from the three services working closely in an integrated manner.